Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial, I wanted to show you guys an updated version of my brow routine. That was actually the first video I've ever uploaded. That was like 2 years ago. So I wanted to share an updated version with you guys using drugstore products. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I like to do is comb my eyebrows into place. And for my brows to fill in, I use the Anastasia brow brush. I know this isn't really drugstore, but I haven't found one that's drugstore that I really like. The powder kit does come with one and I lost it, but that was one that I was using before I switched over to this one. So the one that comes with it is also really good. So once I comb my eyebrows into place, I like to take the taupe shade, which is this one, the lightest one, and I'll start to outline the bottom of my brow. So I just begin by filling it in very, very lightly. And I start here and I just brush it through. So once I have that, I usually go in a little closer to the front and I start to fill that in very lightly as well. And I usually just make a line from here to here. And I'm using the lighter shade because I just like to lightly sketch it out before I go in with a darker shade. So then I like to start here in the middle and start to fill it in. And then with whatever I have, that's when I go ahead and start to put product in the front of my brow. So once that's sketched out, this is when I like to go ahead and use my brow pencil. So my arch is actually on the struggle bus because no hair grows here, or it does, but it grows very lightly. So I'll take my pencil and I like to start around here and very lightly begin to draw my arch. So once that's done, I like to take the darker shade from the brow kit and I'll define the bottom a little bit more. So I start in the same place and then I begin to fill it in a little more. So then for the tail of my brow, what I usually do is grab both colors and I'll use that to fill in the rest of my brow. So once both brows are filled in, this is when I like to go in with concealer and clean them up. And when I clean them up, I like to start a little bit closer to the front, which is kind of around here. And that's pretty much it. And the last thing I do is set them with a brow gel. So I'm going to do my makeup and I'll be right back. So the very last thing after I finish my makeup is I like to set my brows. And I pretty much just use any brow gel. This one is by e.l.f. I really like this one a lot. Then I just set them in place. So that's it for my eyebrow tutorial. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments, what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time.